Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I'm going to talk to you about a deal that I got at Costco. This is the Cascade Mountain Tech multi-mode collapsible lantern. I actually did a review on another type of a lantern before, kind of the as seen on TV, and that one was like 20 bucks, $21, and then I found another one that I got at Walmart. It was a not that as seen on TV, but it was another one which was like $14.88 that I got for my box. But when I saw that you got 3 of these here for 20 bucks, because I wanted to get more of these, 20 bucks is a really good deal. And it even comes with the batteries it needs, because the ones that you're getting an individual on at Walmart or wherever you might be able to find it, you're spending like $14.88 for one. Well, in reality, you're getting all 3 for about 20 bucks. So very excited that I was able to grab these because they only had a few left. As you can see, definitely has the different modes here. It's kind of stand up, pop up for design, easy storage. Has different high, low, red, flashing red, water resistant, 180 lumens for high visibility, lighting, push button for high, low, red, all that stuff, but includes the batteries, it gives you the dimensions. But what we're going to do right now is I'm going to open this up. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to open this up so you can kind of see, because don't want to waste your time anymore by unboxing it and then, you know, stuff falling. So we're going to pause it. We'll come right back at you. All right, guys, as you can see, I have the Cascade Mountain Lanterns out of the box, and pretty much the batteries just go right at the bottom, 3 AA's. And the one difference between this and the atomic beam is when you open up the atomic beam, the lanterns turn on. As you can see, even though I have a light on, it doesn't, you know, it appears not to be on. That's what the button's for. There's high, low, there's red, and then flashing. So, which is, you know, really cool to have. One thing when I bought these at Costco, the one thing I noticed about them, which wasn't a big, you know, factor of me not wanting to get them, was when you flip these over, when you flip this over, as you can see, there's no magnets or the little hook like the atomic beam does have, because that is kind of a nice feature that those do have, because you can easily just take that if you're working in the garage, or if you're in a car, you can quickly just attach it to something metal. So, but that isn't a, how you want to say, you know, like a break the bank, like I'm not going to use these. Here's the atomic beam one that I have, it's just so you can kind of see as a comparison. But the main reason why I'm buying these is for my power outage kit light box. So I have this one, I have another one in there. This is the one that is as seen on TV, which is like $20 to $22 depending on where you can find it. And then as you can see with this, you just open it up and the light pops on. Not like these where you just push the button. Now the one good thing, you know, that these have, it still has in the same principle as the atomic beam is, it still has the draw pull. But the one thing I like about this, it has 4 modes versus the atomic beam only has 1. So you can go, you know, high mode, which, you know, the longer you have that on, that will, you know, kill your battery. Low will actually save your battery, then having red and a flashing red. So that is a nice feature to have for the lanterns. The one thing we're going to do is I'm going to turn the lights off. That's a pretty cool feature that these lanterns have, so you know if these are on. The white button will actually light up when this is actually pushed on. And as you can see, the light's on, and there is a little light there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to turn all the lights off, and so you can see what this looks like in complete black, which you see this is glowing, so you know that the lantern's on. As you can see in the dark, this button lights up pretty good. So if you're in a tent and maybe you don't want to have a, you know, a lantern on all the time when you're sleeping, you might just dim it to where it's a little bit dimmer down, so where if you're, you know, if you're sleeping, you can easily stand it up or there, so you know if you got to get up in the middle of the night if you're by yourself. This is a nice little kind of, hey, this is where the lantern's at. Then you just open it up, and as you can see, it definitely goes pretty well. Is a good little distance for it being on low. And then as you can see, and there's the red, flashing red. But as you can see, here is, we're going to move this camera up. It's definitely gives a very good light, so you can see probably about a good 2 to 3 feet in front of you, which is a very nice feature. And what we're going to do here is I'm going to just close this one, And then I'm actually going to open up the atomic beam and kind of show you the same thing. You know, I think the atomic beam is probably a little bit more brighter, but this only has one light, you know, only has high, versus this lantern has 4 different modes. So I actually like having the 4 different modes versus just the one. What we're going to do now is I'm going to kind of package this up and show you kind of a new updated version of my power outage kit box. All right, guys, as you can see right here, here are the 3 brand new lanterns that we have. And then here are my other 2. I'm probably, next time I go back to Costco, I'm going to see if they have more. I did have a bigger lantern in here that I actually pulled out, so I just have now just one big one. So once I get another one, if they still have them, I will buy it. You know, this will fill up the entire low bottom. Some people might say it might be good to have one of the big one, you know, like a big lantern in there, give or take. That's just going to be kind of depending on how, you know, you want to package your box or whatever. I think eventually what I'll probably do is I'll probably leave these in the garage with extra batteries, so just in case someone does grab this and they need a bigger lantern, I have 2 of these. These will be there right there. So I'm very excited to have these new lanterns, because I'm trying to definitely get the weight down in the box. But in the end, this video is all about these brand new lanterns, and just from kind of, you know, using, playing with them in between takes and, you know, in the dark, they're definitely going to be a really good lantern to have. And I definitely suggest that if you do have a Costco membership, go see if they have them. And the one thing that I will say is if you don't have a Costco membership, and if you're new to Costco, if you see something, buy it, because if you go back the next day or 2 days later, it might not be there. So when I saw that, they had about 20 left when I got them today. So hopefully when I go back tomorrow, they will have more. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys have any comments or questions, write those down below in the comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.